Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you and show you all the DPI settings that are in the REDMI Note 15 5G you need to know. And first you need to open the settings. Now go straight to the display brightness right here and now scroll down. Tap font settings. Here if you change the font, for example to Mi Sans or any other different themes, you can change its size. On the default you can, but I mean if you change, you can change the font weight also. So you can here, as you can see, change the font size only on this normal one and font weight and size on the custom one. Let me for example leave it as it was by default, and this is about the font. But if you go back and go up to the about phone section, pardon me, you can see the OS version thing. Tap OS version until you see you are now a developer. Enter your PIN code if you do have one. And now you are now a developer, as you can see. Now the only thing we have to do is to open the developer options. So now here go down to the additional options settings over here, and here in the additional settings you need to search for the developer options. It's here, tap it. Now scroll down till you see the display things. Drawing, below this Bluetooth, drawing, it's here. Now as you can see we have smallest width, and we can change the smallest width of the display, for example to 400. As you can see it's smaller now, smallest width. I think the previous one was the smallest one, but let's check it out. No, we can change this one to 220, 320. And as far as I remember, the default value was something like this. So actually that's it for this video. These are all the settings you need to remember. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.